Hi class, we're in week 10 now. Can you believe it? Today is the start of week 10 for you. So what I'd like you to do this week is, of course, everything under week 10, but I'd also like you to go back and do the discussion from week 9. So I'm asking you to do two discussions this week if you haven't already. We really need some support on that week 9 discussion. Your exam is also going on this week, and your exam is on my math lab. Um, it I had to do some special settings, but it's there. And now you take the test, and then you can upload your work. Like as you're taking the test, write down your work, and then take a picture of it, or um, go ahead and scan it if you have a scanner, and upload it under the Dropbox. So then I can give you partial credit on anything that you worked on. Okay? If you have questions, please reach out to me. I know your other classes probably are starting online, maybe for the first time, so I understand it's going to be a little bit of a shaky week for some of you, but hang in there. Let me know if I can help. Thank you.